Welcome back. This is Dale with Computer Aftercare, and today I'm going to show you how to restore the Start menu in the Windows 8 operating system. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go here to Internet Explorer because we're going to download a program from a website called Ninite.com. As you can see, I already have it here. Now, if you don't like this trimmed down look in the Internet Explorer window, you can go down here to Page Tools and select View on the Desktop. And this is probably a slightly more familiar look for you right here. Anyways, we're going to scroll down to the Utilities section. You see all these different sections here. And we're going to select Classic Start. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit further and click Get Installer. And that'll download in a moment. And we're going to run it from the browser. Click Run. Accept the user account control prompt. And it's downloading right now, after which it'll start installing and it'll be done. But then after it's installed, we're going to go customize it and poke around a little bit here so you can get familiar with it. Okay, that's it. Now if you notice down here in the lower left, we have this menu here now, and you can actually change the look of this icon. This is more of the Windows 98, Windows 2000 classic look here, but that can be changed, and you can do that here by clicking on Settings and going to Classic Start menu. And over here you can go and select either Basic Settings or All Settings. I like it set to All. And you can go to the Start button, and if you want to change how it looks, you can click like Metro, and you can see how it gives you the Metro look, the new Windows 8 look here. Now we can go back in there, and there's a few other customizations I at least like to do. Over here where it says Special Items, on that tab, I like to show my favorites for my internet favorites. By default, for some reason, it says don't display this item. I like to set it to display as a menu. Now let me show you right here, so you don't see it in here yet. And I'm going to click Display as a Menu, click OK. And now you see the favorites. Now you can see all your internet favorites. You can go straight to them without having to open up your browser first. There's also another setting. Instead of having this classic look, we're actually going to go poke around here, and I'm going to show you a different way. Start menu style. You can see this is the one we have selected here. If you prefer the Windows XP look, go ahead and select that. But I'm going to select the Windows Vista Windows 7 look. Click Yes. OK, and this looks a lot more familiar here. Now we can go back to the classic shell. I'm going to show you one other thing here. In case you have several Windows 8 computers here and you don't want to do this manually each time, because even myself, I forget what's all in these different tabs here. But the neat thing here is you can see right here you have a backup section. You can set this to save to an XML file, your settings, and we'll just save it to the desktop. And here it is. So whenever you want, you can actually take that file and you can save it onto a flash drive. And if you want to restore the same settings you have here right now, you can go and restore that. And you could just load it from the XML file and point it to wherever you saved it at. And if you got everything so tangled up, you want to just start from the beginning, just click here to reset all settings. And you notice this changed here, and we're back to the classic menu. So let's go ahead and load that file I had set up there, and we'll watch that change. There it is. We're back to how I like it. I got the favorites in there. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to get back to the tiled Metro look here, how the Windows 8 starts when you first turn it on, just click Start Screen. This is pinned to this menu right here, and you'll be right back in business if you prefer this, and you actually have a touch screen and you have apps, and you just want to point and click here with your finger. And you notice here I'd already pinned the Classic Start menu settings, so I can click this here and change that from this area. Or if you want to get back to the desktop, click Desktop. And this is what most people are familiar with. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you, how to restore the start menu in Windows 8 so you can get back to business without having to struggle too much finding things you're used to using all the time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Dale with Computer Aftercare. Thank you and bye-bye.